Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the main homepage. This is the starting point for accessing your account tools and settings. If you are already signed in, you should be able to move directly through the next steps without any extra setup. Taking a moment to confirm you are on the correct page will help avoid confusion as you navigate through the platform. Once you are on the HubSpot home screen, look toward the top area of the page for the Marketplace option. This is where HubSpot provides access to available integrations, apps, and connected tools that can expand what your account can do. Since we are connecting Microsoft Outlook, the Marketplace is the section you will need to use. When you find it, click on HubSpot Marketplace. This will open the area where you can browse and search for integrations. The Marketplace includes many different apps, so using the search feature is the fastest way to locate the exact connection you need. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the search and app listings are fully visible. In the search field, type Microsoft Outlook. Be as exact as possible so the correct integration appears in the results. This helps you avoid selecting a similar app or a different Microsoft-related tool. Once the results appear, look for the Microsoft Outlook listing. Next, click on Microsoft Outlook from the search results. This will open the integrations details page where you can review the app before installing it. On this page, you may see information about features, permissions, or what the connection allows HubSpot and Outlook to do together. It is always a good idea to quickly scan this page so you know what to expect during setup. After that, click Install and then follow the on-screen procedure. The remaining setup is guided directly by HubSpot and may include signing into your Microsoft account, reviewing permissions, and confirming the connection. Be sure to read each prompt carefully so you can approve the integration correctly. If your organization uses specific security settings, you may need to complete an approval step before the installation finishes. Once the on-screen setup is complete, the integration should be connected and ready to use. At that point, HubSpot and Microsoft Outlook can begin working together based on the connection options provided during installation. That's it. You have now gone through the process of integrating HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook.